how you can make your first $500 per day with TikTok affiliate marketing using ClickBank or any other affiliate network. Now in this very short video, I'm going to show exactly behind the scenes what you can do in 2025 to start profiting, even though if you're a beginner or you already had some kind of experience with affiliate marketing. Let's go straight into it, okay? As you can see over here, these are the results in the last 7 days. But let me go here over to TikTok, right? So you can see exactly how this is done. Now I know you have heard lots of different things about TikTok affiliate marketing, monetization, but what actually matters is this. You don't need any following. You don't have to show your face. So basically what I'm showing you right now is faceless channel, okay? So you don't have to show your face at all. Now, all you have to do is, you can see over here, right? Why I'm showing you this, the comments. Because in 2025, what matters is engagement. What do I mean by that? It means, like, as you can see, for 7 days, I was not running any ads. Of course, I was spending, you can spend with $10 to $20 per day on TikTok ads, right? And as you scale, you can go higher. I would never go over, my personal rule is 2 days. So basically 48 hours. If I'm not profitable, I will not go over that. That's my personal rule with my clients as well. So let me show you over here, right? Why this is important, because you see, if people are sharing and commenting, leaving positive reviews and comments, it means that you have buyer's intent. And the TikTok algorithm in 2025 will push you out for free. So organic traffic, right? For example, let's say you spend $100 or $50 US, you get some engagement, and then you stop running ads for 7 days. And you can still make affiliate money, affiliate commissions 24/7. Okay, now you think how this is possible. Let me show you over here. Okay, let me show you over here. Let's go here, and I'm going to show exactly what we are doing differently in 2025 to generate this kind of profits. Okay, so the first thing is over here, right? You have to understand, most of gurus on ClickBank, on YouTube, are not sharing these secrets, which are very important, because marketing, you know what is marketing? It's a change work. Okay? We're making a change. So every market has a core emotion. This is very important. Okay? In the female dating space, for example, is control. In men's dating, it's hope. In cryptocurrency, is certainty. Right? And weight loss, it's a shame. So it's very important to understand these core emotions, because then you will know, okay, what kind of ad copy to put out, what kind of UGC videos to use, what kind of content and ads to apply to certain market, to certain audience, to get certain results. All right? Now you don't have to learn this. All this can be done for you. Now, look, this is the beauty of engagement on TikTok. You can see the comments, right? I can confirm this does wonders for acne scars. This is for acne product. 1,000 likes. Another one over here, how to find this product. I'm in Paris. You see, TikTok minds, the audience on TikTok are already in the buying state. What do I mean by that? You see, when you wake up, you don't go to Instagram or Facebook Messenger to buy the product, right? You're not ready with your credit card. Different thing on TikTok. People are already buying from live shopping, for TikTok shop, right? It's already normal. It's natural to see the product because people love to buy, right? You can see from this proof here. So it means that if you post your affiliate link from ClickBank for weight loss supplement or self-help product, right? You can make great money without running any ads after you already built up your account. Okay, so you don't need pre-existing accounts. All this can be done together with you. What you need is 20 to 30 minutes in a day to make this happen. Okay? Now you can see people are making money left and right. People just like you. You see how quickly and how fast you can make money? With one sale per day for, let's say, $150 US, you could be making $1,000 a week, which is over $54,000 per year annually, right? Now, if you make, let's say, only 3 sales a day, you can be making $450 US per day, which is $3,150 US per week, which is well over $13,500 US per month. Now, what you could do extra with $13,000 per month? Could you do extra vacations, help your kids, family, spouse, your parents, right? I don't know what you could do, but certainly I know that if other people can do it, as you will see later, then you can do it as well. Okay. Now remember, over here you can see what we can done together with the Zoom calls 101. Because I believe in sustainability, right? Sustainable income with affiliate marketing without showing your face. This is what works in 2025. Okay? So you can see over here, right? Most people are stuck. They tried different courses. And again, it's not your fault. You have lost some money, you lost some time in the past. All this you can get back again. You can profit in 2025, right? And you already know you're capable of more because you've seen other people making money, right? Making 5,000, other people are making 10,000, even more dollars every single month. And there are thousands of people who work at TikTok, at Google, at Facebook, who are there to help you. All you have to do is just create an account and get started, okay? Because in 2025, the e-commerce has gone up. You can go and Google, you don't have to believe me. Tell me when I'm telling lies. Go and check on Google and you'll see how high, after COVID, online e-commerce has skyrocketed. Okay, you can go and see for yourself. That's what I'm telling you. If you're smart, and now you know you are, because as you watch this video, you will be naturally realizing that, heck, I want to get results as well. I don't know what your goal is. Maybe you want to make 2,000 euro per month or dollars. Maybe you want to make 5 or 10,000 US dollars per month. Okay, but I know that you want to get results now as you watch this video. So if you want to get results, what you can do next, let me show you. What you can do next is you can go over here to my Instagram after watching this video. You can connect with me, okay? As you can see over here. So you can just reach out to me. Ask me any questions you want in regards to affiliate marketing, making money online. Do let me know, okay? So in the description below is my links to my Instagram, my WhatsApp number, my messenger, and my email, okay? So you can reach out to me and ask me any questions you want, but only if you're serious, okay? Because there are people, only two people, the people who are making excuses, who procrastinate, who wait, and never take action, okay? But I know you are a different type of person. You are someone, because you are smart, you watch this video, you know that you want more, right? For yourself. So do let me know. Again, in the description below, you can WhatsApp me. Just say I want more information. Only if you're really serious. You have some money to invest in yourself to get up and running as fast as possible to get really great results.